Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your lock screen with Windows 11 or like on Windows 11. Now what you want to do is go to bottom, next to the search is going to be start button, right click on it, and under task manager is going to be settings. Click on the settings. Right there, when you're going to click on the settings, under network and internet, you're going to see personalization. Click on it. And then what you want to do is just simply right click on a lock screen, and then you're gonna have the lock screen status, screen timeout, and personalize your lock screen. And you can simply add it to slideshow or add it to Windows Spotlight, completely up to you which one you choose. So this is how you can change your lock screen in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and write definitely down below in comments if this video helped you. Goodbye.